Hey there, today we're diving into the fascinating world of brain and behavior. Think of it as a grand adventure through your mind's bustling city. First up, let's talk about phenotypes and endophenotypes, fancy words that help scientists understand how our genes and brain patterns shape who we are. These are like the blueprints and the secret signals that tell us about our unique mental landscapes. Now imagine the anterior cingulate cortex as your internal referee monitoring conflicts, catching errors, even playing a role in how you perceive pain and stay aware of your body signals, or interoceptive awareness. It's like your brain's own troublemaker detector and comfort counselor rolled into one. Speaking of emotions and sensation, regions like the amygdala and orbital frontal cortex are the brain's emotional hotspots, processing feelings, fear, and reward. Basal ganglia and ventral striatum are like your brain's reward centers, lighting up when you enjoy a tasty treat or get a rush from a good decision. Now let's map out how these regions work together in various cognitive domains, like movement, attention, work, memory, and language. Think of these as different rooms in your brain dimension, each with its own function and activation patterns. Hierarchical clustering helps scientists group these functions together, revealing how everything connects. Speaking of connections, disorders like bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and mood disorders often involve altered activation patterns in areas like the medial prefrontal cortex and dorsal prefrontal cortex. These regions are key players in mood regulation, decision making, and social behavior, kind of like the brain's own mood manager. On the behavioral side, we see how these neural circuits relate to real-world issues. Obesity and eating disorders involve the brain's reward and impulse control centers. Drug abuse taps into the ventral striatum and orbital frontal cortex, hijacking our natural reward pathways. Conduct disorders, antisocial personality disorder, and alcoholism are connected to dysregulation in these areas too. Moving into internal struggles, internalizing disorders like anxiety, panic, phobia, obsessive compulsive disorder, PTSD, all involve heightened activity in regions associated with fear and stress. Meanwhile, externalizing disorders often involve impulsivity and aggression, then linked to specific neural circuits. Language and memory disorders come to play when regions like the left prefrontal cortex, temporal lobe, and parietal areas are firing on all cylinders. Whether it's classic memory issues or language processing hiccups, these areas make sure your words and memory stay accessible. Finally, by studying topic mapping and hierarchical clustering, scientists can better understand how all these disorders cluster together like groups of friends at a party, sometimes sharing common neural activation patterns, sometimes unique. It's a complex, interconnected dance of neural activations, emotional process, and behavioral outcomes. But with each discovery, we're getting closer to understanding the incredible orchestra that is the human brain.